Nisueng pa sakanti ko Don Bosco Media Network ko naram chaksoa, anga Alicia A. Sangma, nasimang na dali ko Rangko para katinga. Katsabi chongrang. Chief Secretary, adok ni athlete Rangko matela ni ko takanga. Mitti Neil Sunggaparang, Embos Office Mukhango, asunga ni ko takna ampinga. DC, Walu Rama Champinga ni gaman, Rakhalin Agananga. National Sports Day ko Garuhil Sotakov War Kalsu Sachi Manyanga. Chugumuk pa kuburang National Sports Day ko gisigrana adugni Sports or Youth Affairs Department sagr chabri Kalsu Sani Rango bak agaparang ko usoso tham auditorium mo yajani kolgruksku thariko ungatanga ha. National Sports Day ko gisigra e manyanyo Chief Secretary Donald P. Walang mongsung pa sukpa ha. Aro adugni Sports Olympics Association ni Vice President sakani Miss Mausio Dowar aro Sweat kalsu saga parang na thangkarang ko onnang ha. Yamania nyo dengtang mancha school ni football dolrang jen Saprutu Mukherjee Inter-School Football Cup New Delhi o adugni gata bakkura na apmingachem wamang ko mandira ani ko takanga ha. Yabilsi Roman Catholic Evening School mi mentudu jawai niyo nga wamang bilsi chibrini ng odonggapa kategoryo Bakur Angen aro St. Anthony's High Secondary School, Shillong aro Yuring Hep High Secondary School, wamang bilsi chi school ni ng odonggapa kategoryo Bakur ang skagen. Yamanya niyo kupatian ni kon matungo Chief Secretary Sports Department rang ni kalsu saga parang jen adok na rasong ko rabahachem wamang ko mandiraan ni ko dakanina rasong chay aganatang ha. Wa kalsu saga parang ko nami khalang china aro adok ko na sing pa Northeast Games soba adok na medal rang ko bange che china didianga ha.
Congratulate the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs for organizing this day and also to recognize the efforts of all the sports persons on the state. They have given their time, they have invested their energy towards their passion, towards their love in sports, and after achieving at various levels, international, national, regional, I'm happy that today the government is recognizing their achievements and giving them cash awards. I was just having a peek at the envelopes and I was very impressed that the amount also is a very honorable and handsome amount. So you'll all be very happy, I'm sure, and you'll carry on, you'll work harder. Remember that success is never final and failure is never fatal. Therefore, work hard, work for more, and understand that this is just one stepping stone. The government is taking all efforts to ensure that we build a good sports ecosystem in the state. In the month of October, you'll be having the Northeast Festival as well as the Northeast Games, which will spread up to the month of November. And I want all of you, those who have been awarded today, to work hard and to achieve something more spectacular during the Northeast Games. We need to collect more medals.
Khobor ko ratum gaparang meng golf metengo Srimati Pioli Sinkon Mitti Milko Krangni President Laskin CNRD Block ni Meghalaya adok gemeko sak hajal chiche rechabonga sotprisni Mitti Mil na sungtung gaparang dunga aro chinga mai dake atang thang ni nokni mandirang na chana rengna utna matgen aro mai dake de drang ni nangani ko na matgen anes nganga Chinga daw adok ni sorkari ko thangka rechasku na baria china aro asoni sorkari ko hazalbi rechasa na baria china je to kole chinga baja anti dormaha hazal bunga de manphagen enewa dabyanga ha chingi dabyani ko chuso kachao de chinga embos mukhang ngo salwal jingjinga tani ko daken enewa pharakatanga ha West Garo Hills ni Deputy Commissioner Yajani Kolgrusku Thariko Night Blockade je kon Yajani Kolgrusku Thariko ni September gathamona ungat na mengachem uni bidingo rakhalin Jarikna Nanggni Rangko Agananga ha petrol pump rang petrol aro diesel ko botorang o September gathamona phalja china Agananga ha garage bagari thari chakpa biap rang thari rangko apalo walu gale donangja china aro dokhan ngaw name chipe donang china Agananga ha Gemuk department rang ni dilgaparang antang-tang ni gari rangko nami biap nama ongoba campus ngarang o don china aru chaukidar Rangko night blockade ni somai rango name nitem china Agananga ha. Yagyeta ni ko West Garo Hills District onan gepatken arwa ko gemekan September getamona Jarikna Nanggni NADC parakatanga ha. Yajani ko rusku thari ko National Sports Day ko gisakra agata District Sports Office ni gata anti school tak of war ko argapan khalsu sani ko ampati student fee lo khalata. National Sports Day ko Rashtriya Khel Divas bilsi anti August jani ko rusku thari ko Major Dhyanchan ni achani sal ko gisakra ani ko daka. Yako daka ni chi mandirang na sports ar khalsu sani rang anchingna nama ar Jarikna nanga ani wiyata gata daka. Wulwula o dungapa district Nige chet school ra bakhur ang ha tag of war girls category obirin nuchong secondary schools kang gapa ko chianga gani gapa Garubada High Secondary School or gatham gapa o ampati ni Mothers Union School rang chianga ha. Boys category o ampati ni birin nuchong secondary school skang gapa ko chianga gani gapa Garubada High Secondary School aro gatham gapa ko betasing ni Emmanuel English School chianga ha. Ampati ni Birin Nuchong Secondary School ko Champion School ini parakatanga aru runners up betasing ni Emmanuel English School onganga. Yan dal na khobro nga ni swing basakanti kon metela.